heading far away to some place we don't know. Is it true all the things they say, that we will come to an end? Is it true all the things they say, maybe we could pretend? I don't wanna let go of your love, I don't wanna let go of your touch, 'cause my sun is rising, it's heading with you. I'll never let it go of your love. I don't wanna be left by the side, 'cause I cannot get you off my mind. I will never, ever let go of your love. I'll never let it go of your love.
Shit, I'm decked out and I'm rolling out, no controlling. DNA ain't no hoeing. Jumped in deep, never put no toe in. Stepped out and I'm growing. Every day I've been growing. Never know where I'm going. And your bitch like how I'm flowing.
I don't wanna be left by the side, 'cause I cannot get you off my mind. I will never, ever let go of your love. I'll never let it go of your love.
our souls began to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine. And I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire. Our souls began to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine. And I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire, 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 starfire. It's starfire, 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 starfire. It's
thought you were my lifeline. You got me drowning in the sea. You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. But I'm still just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet.